Youth represent a very big stake of human being living on this planet. So they should be addressed, they have something to say, their needs to be fulfilled, and number-wise, they should be taken into account by policymakers.
You see, Zambia is a kind of country where we are talking about 6 million youths in total, and the biggest challenge that we have is the level of unemployment.
The 18-24 demographic has massive unemployment in the UK, and this is one way that government can go about addressing unemployment for that age range.
If we fail to handle this problem of the youth, and if we fail to handle the issues of financing them and enabling them to work and to have their own businesses or to have jobs, then we are going to face major social unrests.
Frustration leads to apathy at best and violence at worst. And so how to create that energy, the human capital, turn it to be a productive capital for countries is really what we need to work on.
Filipinos really knows how to save, but usually they don't know how to spend. They don't know how to use their savings, especially the youth.
If I know I have a pot of money stored away, even if it's very small, does that actually give me more confidence in public? Does it give me more of a future orientation? Does it help me think more that I can do more in life?
We have realized that financial education is a lifelong skill that we should be providing everyone.
The youth are viewed as a risky proposition in the current scheme of things. So a change of mindset in terms of how we look at youth, their bankability, that's something that we need to look at.
It is a mistake if they only look at the immediate profit incentive and say that, oh, after all, for what? Going forward and looking at the long-term implications, I think it is a group that both the government and the private sector should focus on.
If you're 18, 19, 21, even 25, and you need startup capital to start a business, there are no places for you to go. There's certainly no mainstream places that you can go to get startup finance for your business. So it's very nice to see the government stepping in and saying, we will take a risk.
We have a particular issue, a challenge. There's a sense that we make a real social intervention as much as anything else. But we'll get new people in, start new businesses, there'll be innovation, and actually that's a driver for the UK economy.
We think that the solution for our problems will start from young people doing some businesses, entrepreneurial work that will grow and expand and become bigger companies that will absorb actually more of the unemployed people in Egypt.
They are your future customers, they are future citizens, and so I think everything that you do with the youth actually has higher returns in the longer term. You might not see it right now, you might not see it tomorrow, but you will see it over their lifetime.
I think one of the big opportunities is to think of their innovations, their creativity around growing the pie and about developing and creating their own destiny rather than simply being reliant or dependent on others and what is out there.